We're here at the Technics suite in the Venetian for CES 2018, but we feel like we may have died and gone to audiophile vinyl nirvana. That's because we're looking at the new SL1000R. Now this is a resurrection of sorts of the original SP10, and you can see this is a crazy contraption behind me. You might have noticed there are 3 tone arms. Well, we'll get into that in a second. First, let's talk about the SP10. It was the first ever direct drive turntable. Technics has now brought it back. You can actually buy the SP10R, which we'll show you in a moment, but this is the full package. Now, we can't tell you everything about it, but let's get into a few things. First of all, it has a 4-layer platter that includes rubber, machined aluminum, brass, and tungsten, basically bearings inside it, or screws, which help weight it and also keep it extremely tight. They say that there is almost a completely unmeasurable amount of flutter here. We're listening to this thing and it's absolutely gorgeous. As you see it here, it comes with Technics' own magnesium tone arm, and this is a $20,000 project. This is not for the timid, this is for the vinyl lovers, this is for archivists, this is for the absolute vinyl fans. Now, you can also see some other cool things, including the original style outboard control and power system. Is it has all 3 speeds, as you can see, and extremely granular pitch adjust. Down to the 100th here, you see you can go all the way and just keep going, keep going. You can basically modulate your record, and then when you're tired of that, if you don't need the adjustment, you can hit the reset button. It goes right back to the original. This has been totally revamped using all of Technics' latest technology. We've been listening to this on the reference system, and I have to tell you, we're absolutely blown away. And as promised, this is the resurrected SP10, the SP10R. Now, one of the cool things about this is it's sort of modular, so you can mix and match and put together whatever your system is. And if you're a legacy user, you can actually use this with your legacy components. So it's really fun to look at, and you can see the tungsten screws right in the edges here on the brass platter, which is always fun. And it's just a gorgeous looking piece of equipment. Now, if you want to get this in your home, you can buy this thing, but it's going to cost you 20 grand for this system and 10 grand for the SP10R, which comes without a tone arm. You'll have to add your own. You can see you can add all these different kinds, and you can sort of make your monster contraption turntable. This is going to be a hot commodity, and we're excited to see it and show it to you here at CES 2018.